Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Jukes and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we dey see our program, for here we dey bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. But now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club news. Arsenal don win West Ham as usual to enter the 4th position for table. For the first half, both teams cancel each other out, so nobody really score. Then for 48 minutes, inside the second half, Lacazette give Martinelli one kind sweet through ball wey Baba come palm to make am 1-0. Later for 66 minutes, Kufal comes foul Lacazette to collect second yellow card, and referee come give one kind controversial penalty wey people still dey argue. Lacazette still miss the penalty as we continue to find the second goal. This one shock everybody. Then for 87 minutes, Emile Smith Rowe collect pass from Bukayo Saka to make am 2-0. Na so the match take end o. After the match, for media setting, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta say wetin be im assessment of the match. So Baba come talk say he really like the chemistry between all those young players, people like maybe Bukayo Saka, Martinelli, Odegaard, who then dey behind Lacazette, so saying gbadu their chemistry. And when you look at these guys, all of them just dey like 20-something years, 22, 23, 20, all those kind of things. So you just like the way they interchange, they intertwine passes, and the way Lacazette come dey cooperate with the guy, they give them pass. Sometimes Lacazette go drop back, come distribute, feed them. Almost they really enjoy the way they really play. Especially that Bukayo Saka, he had a very nice game at the far right. The guy just dey control the ball. He give that Musaku problem. That Musaku funny suffer. Every small thing Saka don dey one-on-one with am back. If you watch that match, you will notice that like 2 to 3 people na come dey mark Saka. Saka come dey draw players come for inside. Baba really dey impressed with the way the boys play. At the same time, Arteta come dey talk about the senior players, saying like the way the senior players step up. When you check people like maybe Xhaka, check people like Partey, check people like Lacazette, a lot of them, Tierney himself almost score when wipe one shot to the shot, the keeper let him touch and smell, come go jam back. See when Lacazette self just dey play with those small boys, as in he really enjoy the way they step up. Even Partey self, we don't talk say he no really dey play well in the past. For this match, everybody stepped up their game. It's gonna be like say Partey know how important the match dey, all of them. They can't really play well, saying thank the senior men, and that's what it's supposed to be. The senior players are supposed to lead, while the junior ones go dey assist them. So that's what it's supposed to be. Good job. At the same time, back when they talk about the fans, the fans for Emirates that yesterday, they really make sense. As in their voice, their sound, they sing, they chant, they give the boys the morale, they let them know say we are here for you, we dey at home, nothing dey sup. This home na our fortress for this season. We gats beat these people. Arsenal get the best home record for this season now. So we gats beat these people, and lo and behold, they just nullify that West Ham. As in West Ham no fit bite. Where Antonio now? People dey fear Antonio, they fear Noble, they fear Susek, they fear Bowen, they fear all these guys. Then when they come, they no turn up. If no be say Fabianski come turn hero for that night for West Ham, they supposed to chop a normal. Me go around talk as if they be our wife. You get the gas collect normal. So just give them the collection. They carry and they go house. On my way from the match, they come ask Thomas Tuchel, we don coach Aubameyang before, so they come ask him, I take see Aubameyang discipline issues we ain't get. So back on talk say for him, say he no know wetin dey sup for Arsenal, and he no go like to comment out of respect to Aubameyang. He no wan judge what is right or what is wrong, because obviously he no know the full story. The only wetin Arsenal bring out for the public domain you really know. But for in time when he don stay with Aubameyang, say Aubameyang no really offend am like this, he no really cause problems. Say the boy is a good boy, say it's unfortunate say he don dey inside problem for Arsenal when dey. Well, they just pray say the guy will come out of the team. Now see Baba just talk, he no just wan talk anything. Martin Keown sef, wey be one of our legend, don come outside come dey talk say for the captain armband now, say if we go give anybody captain, say make dem dey reason that kind Gabriel Magalhaes and Ben White, say he no see the thing going to Granit Xhaka, because say Granit Xhaka don collect am before, they come relieve am of him duty wey he let the fans vex, say he use one kind bad description of a finger wey I no wan do. Come give the fans, so the fans come dey para for am, they come comot am, wey Arteta come back, come forgive am. If not, that Xhaka suppose don go back to Borussia Mönchengladbach now. Now Arteta come let am know say all things are passed away. All those things wey commit under Emery, forget, I don forgive you. Everybody get clean slate, and now I don come. That is why Xhaka come still continue, come dey for our team now. So they reason that kind Gabriel Magalhaes, Ben White, then they talk say if it to still fall for Ramsdale, because Ramsdale don dey turn fans favourite. So you know, go dey surprised them vote am say okay, come be our captain, because the guy dey very, very passionate about Arsenal Football Club. Atletico Madrid president wey dem dey call Enrique Cerezo don come outside dey talk say Joao Felix is not for sale. Dem don dey change mouth. Not too long ago dem dey tell Joao Felix agent say anybody wey wan sign this guy, when I call let us know how much. I don't know wetin happen, because they talk say the guy is not transferable. You can say you should say no expect Felix to go. Say no, say Felix no wan go anywhere, so the guy no dey for sale. Well, no yawa na players plenty for market. E good that dem talk early, more know where dem stand. Abi whether na stunt, they just wan use am drive the guy bargain go up, and never really know. Because normal sef, even if you wan sell player, I no go come outside and say he's available for sale, especially when I start playmaker and the guy no dey get much playing time again. Dey for Benjamin, because no say they don already sign Antoine Griezmann from Barcelona, so that one sef come make the guy come from Benjamin. Well, more dey watch na till January we come dey hear the real stories. More updates don dey come outside about Aubameyang and wetin don dey offend for Arsenal. So our monitoring spirit wey dem dey call Daily Mail don come outside come dey let us know say for that first match of the season against Brentford, if you remember, because I know say Aubameyang missed that match because of COVID. Now they come dey let us know say the reason wey make Aubameyang get COVID-19 virus that time na because 1 week to the match, Baba go throw birthday party for him pikin, and he come invite a lot of people wey dem no know their COVID-19 status, dem no know that they don take vaccine. So now for that birthday party, he come collect the virus. That is why he come miss the match 1 week to the match. Say how can you be that kind of irresponsible? So which means all the things wey Aubameyang don dey commit, e don dey pile up. Na the one wey come commit last, like comment dem come say no, it's too much. You get, even that one sef nobody hear am for media setting, and now me just dey hear am say omo na wetin this guy do that time, that is why he no come play. And he go get some other things sef wey he don do wey we no really hear. Get, and another people come dey talk say the reason wey make dem even give Aubameyang the captaincy for Arsenal no be say he get leadership qualities, no be say he get things wey he go emulate. Na because they just wan reward am say okay, na if you are our highest goal scorer, we no wan make you leave, we wan make you be legend at the end of the day for Arsenal Football Club. That's why they can't give the guy the mantle of leadership. But at the end of the day, Baba just scatter everything. Well, let's move on now, no time. My marital spiritual that they call Complete Sports don't come outside and let us know say CAF don't come outside, they quash any rumor whether they talk say AFCON they go cancel am. This AFCON 2021, see they won't cancel am because of Omicron, because a lot of monitoring spirit don't talk about the news. They don't want to cancel AFCON. They are reasoning how to cancel AFCON. So CAF don't come outside to quash everything. Say keep quiet there, stop talking. Say they don't cancel anything. So they're going to bring out one conspiracy. Say all those Western bodies don't they talk. Say they don't even let their own players go play for this AFCON because of the Omicron. Because after they play their AFCON, they go collect the Omicron, because most players never really take the vaccine. They don't want to take the jab. So if they go AFCON now, they fear say maybe they don't go collect, come back, come distribute and give them. Well, we never know how it will be. Whether clubs get the right to withhold players from AFCON, from countries where they play for AFCON, later we go know now. January, we'll see as goes up. I'm still on the media side, so Mikel Arteta come dey talk about Martinelli. So Baba come dey talk say the way Martinelli dey play now, say he just hope say the guy go dey improve the more. As he don score against West Ham now, because na him break the deadlock. As he score, to make him continue to dey improve. And moving forward now, we dey expect Martinelli to get more game time, because Aubameyang don dey for Benjamin. We never know when he dey come back. And you know, on Saturday now we dey play Leeds. So we never really know whether Aubameyang will turn up for that match. I mean, Baba will continue the lineup we use for Southampton, we don't use for West Ham now, or carry and go for Leeds, come play Leeds. We never really know. Well, na till Saturday we go know now. But myself, I would like more continue the formation, because the back five is superb, and the two waiting for middle now, Partey and Xhaka, they don't bring back their form. They don't play very well, because they played very well against West Ham. And the three way come they behind like the team sheets, it makes sense. May they continue like that. Oh, you are right. To be one of our legends, now come as I call the advice Mikel Arteta, say make him kill this Aubameyang story, quash everything now, forgive the guy and move on. You get it don't happen. Say it don't happen. Say the more you they keep this guy out of the team, the more the media go they ask you questions, the more the media go they elongate the issue, they go they overflow the issue. If they ask you about the issue, stop hiding away from the issue. Stop telling them I don't want to talk about Aubameyang, I want to talk about the game. No, just face the matter head on. Let them say he's still our player. He will soon be back against Leeds. Everybody will die of the matter. Don't they hide from the matter. Now, think about the advisor. And the quicker you kill off this story and bring this guy back to the team, the better it will be for everybody. But we not think saying that Arteta hand the day. me dey feel say na Aubameyang is the reason, because the shame, the public ridicule and everything, the social media bash, and not too long ago, like 1 month ago, Aubameyang don come outside from media setting come dey talk say na him be the coolest captain for EPL. After that 1 month now, they don sack am comot for captainship. So all those disgrace, that kind of level now. Don't imagine say you be manager for one place, you come mess up, they come comot you, come post am on social media, knack everything, people will talk about you, they tag you like mad. Then in a day, if you receive that 1,000 tag mentions, all those kind of things now. So I believe saying that Aubameyang they protect, so they don't give am time, make him chill for outside. If you don't dey ready, mentally right and everywhere, then we'll come back. Well, more the watch ya. Gary Lineker, wey be one of our monitoring spirits, don come outside, they let us know say the waiting stand for Arsenal now, saying they expect Aubameyang to find am very, very difficult to get back into the team, because you will be saying in the last 6 or 7 games, they score anything, all this money don dey enter, all they displace you, they score, they run, they do all the things wey people they expect say na you go dey do, come dey do am. I say he be captain, saying they expect say even if the guy come back, in Benjamin feel long small, because I want to displace Martinelli wey dey play, unless Martinelli get injury. I mean, how you want to displace Lacazette? We say even if for that front, we dey feel in presence at least. Unlike you, you say you go dey there, no shot on goal, nothing, you just dey there like a pack of wood. Baba just say go hard. I don't know how that is waiting Baba talk. You support that statement. Say you go hard for Aubameyang to enter that first team. At the same time, David Seaman come outside, come dey respond to the win wey Arsenal win West Ham. So Baba come dey talk say na strong team performance, and they like the way they take play. Say make them continue like that to get and make them dey move up high the table. Say the more they win like this, they win teams wey matter. You get, you will go high up the table. Imagine now we don dey for 4th place. Who would have thought of that? December going to Christmas, we dey for 4th. Before you know that January don reach. We will continue our momentum now without injuries. Who knows? Who knows? We could end up in top 4. The way things stand, I no go lie for you, Europe sure this season. Europe sure. If it be Champions League, if it be Europa League, but all I know is say Europe sure. And if we enter Europe, it will give us a bargaining chip, it will give us a bargaining power, so that if they bargain with people, say Baba come play for us, they no go ask us which competition I want come play for. You go say, Oga, Europe dey o. Europe dey here, so come join us. At the same time, we get another matter where they run around social media, and that one na Kufal. Controversial red card and penalty. A lot of people they argue this thing. She na red card, I should not be red card. Don't you not think for you? Forget sentiment, as just remove sentiment. Say if you're a Arsenal player, she na red card, I no be red card. She that's far away foul. Like I said, a lot of people don't they argue, and because if you check, because of the aggressive behavior wey Kufal get, even for the first half, if you now watch, you will notice say Kufal gives Kylian Tierney elbow. By mistake, referee can't give a yellow card. So they don't understand. Say this guy is a very aggressive player. The way Xhaka be now, if Xhaka do something no even warrant red card, they give a red card because they don't know in antecedent. They don't know the things when they capable of doing. Say this guy an aggressive player, also be foul people, and before you know it, the player go injured. So that's why they give Kufal that first yellow for the beginning. So the second one will be say he even touch the ball and everything. People come they argue. Many people don't talk about this. Many pundits don't talk. Say he no deserve red card, but Anthony Taylor we don't they don't skip him. If you watch sef, Anthony Taylor they undecisive. You don't know whether make I call this time, make I no call her. He waits more before say, make I blow this thing. He can't blow him. They can't give the guy second yellow. We can't translate into red. The guy said no one dey happy. Even West Ham they were furious. David Moyes say wetin dey sup now? How you go to see na red card? Even when Kufal dey comot for the pitch, you go see say when you go meet the 4th man say, see this thing wey dem talk say I do, I take the red card baba. Wetin dem dey talk now? And I'll give me second yellow, come make my team now come dey suffer against Arsenal. Now every supposed to come back, even though Lacazette still miss the penalty wey dem still give am. The thing come be big controversy. Everybody come dey argue now. Even Talk Sports hosts wey dem dey call Jason Kundi and Dean Sanders no dey left out of the controversy, as two of them come dey argue say this thing na penalty, this thing no be penalty. Jason Kundi say na penalty, Dean Sanders say no be penalty. Two of them come dey argue. Me just dey watch their show after I don finish my life, come say na controversy. Everybody guys dey argue whether na penalty abi no be penalty. So na so e just be. At the end of the day, Arsenal no even score the penalty. If so we score am, the controversy for dey higher, but we no come score am, so e come dey a bit lower. So na so e just be. So my dear football lovers, if you dey watch us now, if you miss yesterday's show, check by the right hand side corner of the screen. I think by the down or up, you go see the yesterday program wey we show. You guys watch am so that you no go miss any updates about Arsenal, because don't say updates wey they give yesterday dey different from the one they give today. Every day updates they come out about Arsenal, verifiable updates, to make sure say what's the update as it dey down. So thanks for watching our show, and God bless you.